How to edit building grow effect on Capcut. Take a screenshot of your image. Download .photoroom app. Import your image here. Select the building part. Erase the part to get only the sky part. Select the building, again, and get a png.image of same. And export this. Now go to Pixel app and import your image. Here. Select the png.image here, then cut the parts as you want to. Export image and save to gallery. Now open all the dot parts on Capcut app. Arrange the blank sky image first. Arrange the building parts accordingly. Use keyframes and do. As shown, one keyframe at start and hide the images, second keyframe, and drop the dot building image. Now use some dust effect and dot building drop sound effects. Use shake effect to make it look real. Here use graph between two keyframes. Use cubic in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share.